my gosh, I almost had a heart attack. I thought my bike wasn't about to start. If you guys watched the last video, I had to jump start at the house. Ooh, just look good. Ooh, that wind feels good. How you guys doing today though? Let's hear that baby. Damn, that's a nice, that's a hard blue. Hint, hint. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go, baby. We're back in action. Let's go. Quit playing, dummy. Stupid. We're back in the game. You need gas? Same. Yeah, buddy. Good playing, dummy. Yeah, good playing, dummy. Oh, nice Mozzie. Shit's hard. Oh, I don't really have a topic. We're just kind of cruising around, having a good time today. Just haven't ridden in like 3 weeks to a month. Like, damn. That felt good. That smelled good. Because I entered the win the giveaway. The ride clutch giveaway. Got this is the shirt it came with. I don't know if you can see it. Look at the back. Shit's hard. I don't know if you can even see it, but it says like good times, bad decisions. You know how it is. Good times, bad decisions. Sorry, mama. Good on gas. Oh, look how pretty she looks. It's my baby girl. Damn, they look so good together. It's like a weird duo, but like they like match.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
They're both hard. I'm hyped to get this thing wrapped too, guys. Oh, it's gonna look so sick. You guys don't even know what I got planned. It's gonna be dope though. Guys, you know what I need to do? I really want to find other bikers. That's what I really need to do around here. If you watch my videos and you're from like around the Columbia, Greenville, South Carolina area or whatever, come on ride, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so he was saying we're on. My stepdad's work is down this way, Harley. Hey, which honestly I'll probably go to. Hang on. Oh, don't pull out. Hey man, hey man, hey man, what are you doing, bruh? What are you doing, bruh? Stupid, bro. That's why you always gotta pay attention, bro. If I would have been flying, if we would have been flying around that corner, bro. Boom! Good night. The links. Like, I was watching Killigan's video the other day, and he was saying he watches their front wheel, and I never thought of that, but it's a really good point. I want you guys to know it too, which I'm going to start doing. He watches their front wheel to make sure to see if obviously if they're going to go or not, whatnot, so you can see, like, you see the wheel start to go, and like, whoa, slow down on the brakes, you know. If they're stopped, they're probably going to stay there and they see you. So, like, if you're looking at them and they look at you, that's still not 100% sure that they see you, because they can be looking right at you and they're still gonna pull out because they just don't see you. You're smaller, you're a bike, so you know you just gotta be careful on these freaking streets, yo. It's like just crazy. Well, losing too many people. I throw her up, but The chain's loose, and I don't want to pop the wheelie when the chain's loose. They got to tighten her up. I want to feel the chain and sprocket out some more yet. Make sure everything's all good, dial her in. Yeah. What?
Where are you going after that?
Wherever. Let's go see if he's out. Oh wait, he's not even here. Forgot he's not here. Okay, we are at the wrong dealership, but this is where I go, guys, for a bike night on Wednesday. This whole place is packed. They got concert and shit going usually. And my rear brake feels stronger than it did last time. I don't know why, but I guess it's a good thing. Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo. What?
You go straight or left?
Straight. She's looking, what the hell they doing, bro? Oh. I know you're hot, girl. I know. You want to go rip it. You want to go 100 plus. I know. Hey, give it some gas. So it sounded pretty good. Stupid.
Sounds like bagels.
What?
Sounds like bagel seasoning. Oh god.
Yeah, it does smell like bagel seasoning for real. That's how you break it. That's how you break your new chain and sprocket in, baby. Ooh. Thank you for all the support. Been running it up lately. I appreciate that. Much love. You know, I got a lot of plans coming up. Like I said, trailer. I wanted to wrap this thing. Need to get headers yet. You know, go to some meets here and there. I want to ride with my brother more. Some night rides since he's getting his license. Highway since he's getting his license. So, like, you know, hit that sub button if you haven't subbed yet. Road to 100K. Yes, sir. Stupid. Dummy, yeah. There we go. There we go. Woo. It's whenever it hits 10,000, bro. It's like, there you go. There's the turbo. Dude behind wants to play? For sure. Felt good, felt good. Alright, we're back. We're about to get a roll in. Here we go. Oh yeah. Alright, that was fun. I wanted to give him the hit because if we're lined up evenly, it's not gonna be the same, so you know what I'm saying? So I just ended the video but I'm like, damn, we got straight and I had to turn the GoPro back on. Yeah, see, hell yeah. Hell yeah, we're in the back roads. You got dusted. I don't want to line up evenly because then I'm gonna win easily. I feel like I was flying, bruh. I'm ready to go home if you are. I want to tighten my chain up. It's getting kind of loose because it's getting worn in. So yeah, it's kind of loose. Let's trail behind him. Oh yeah. Ooh, doggy. Hell yeah, buddy. Good playing, dummy. Alright, now I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe, over and out. Oh, felt so good to ride, bruh. Fearless.